Hello there, welcome to my channel. This is Madhumita. Today I'm here with another makeup tutorial, that is my everyday makeup. This is super easy, super long lasting. I always do this makeup whenever I go for any shopping or any trip. This makeup is ideal for college students and working women. So without further ado, let's get started. I already moisturized my face, so I am starting by priming my face. For primer, I am using Inside Cosmetics 3-in-1 primer. This is a very good and affordable primer. I am applying it all over my face. Today I will do concealing first. For concealer, I am using MAC Studio Conceal and Correct palette, medium, and I am applying this color under my eye area, around nose and on forehead. Before foundation, applying concealer gives more natural look. For cream contour, I am using this color from the same palette and applying it on my cheekbone, on my nose and on forehead. I am also applying concealer around my lips area. Now I am blending this all using a damp beauty blender. If you want, you can skip cream contouring for everyday makeup. And please keep in mind, proper blending is very important for everyday makeup, or else after some times it will become cakey. Now I am taking a little bit of concealer and I am blending it using my fingertip. For foundation, I am using NYX Professional Makeup Total Control Foundation in shade beige. I am applying it all over my face. I will blend them using the beauty blender. This foundation gives light to medium coverage, so you can use it for light makeup or heavy makeup both. To set this all, I am using PAC Translucent Powder 09. I am applying it using my beauty blender. I am applying a lip balm from Nivea to keep my lips moisturized. Then I am taking a clean spoolie and I am brushing my brow hair properly. To fill my eyebrow, I am using Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade in dark brown. And I am filling all the gaps into my brows. You can use any pomade, it will stay longer than a brow powder. Then again I am brushing my brow hair to spread the color evenly. To set my brow hair on its place, I am using NYX Professional Makeup Tinted Brow Mascara Espresso Dark Brown. Actually, whenever I do any makeup look, I need to be my brow properly done. I am actually little bit conscious about my brow and eyes. To bronze my face, I am using NYX Professional Makeup Matte Body Bronzer Deep Tan. I am applying it on my cheekbone, on hairline and on nose. Many of you can think, is it mandatory for regular makeup? Actually, when we do foundation concealing, our face becomes flat. It's blur out our natural feature. Then I think you understand why we need bronzing. Now I'm applying the same bronzer on my crease line and blending it properly. I am also applying the bronzer on my lower lash line. Then I am taking Benefit Cosmetics California Sunny Golden Pink Blush and I am applying it on the apple of my cheek and on my nose. I want little bit of glow on my face, so I am taking Makeup Revolution Vivid Shimmer Highlighter and I am applying it on my brow bone, on the tip of my nose, on the bridge of my nose, on my inner corner, on the cheeks, on the forehead. I'm curling my lashes. And applying mascara. This mascara is from L'Oreal. I'm also applying mascara on my lower lashes. For lips, first I'm taking a nude shade liner and I'm lining my lips. Then I'm adding matte lipstick Meher on the center. Then I'm adding brown liner on the edges of my lips. Now I'm taking my lipstick brush and blending it properly. Now to set this all, I'm applying my favorite setting spray, Makeup Revolution Hyaluronic Setting Spray. So here's the outcome. A perfect sun-kissed glowy natural makeup look. So if you like this video, then please give a big fat thumbs up, share with your friends, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. See you on next video. Till then, stay safe, spread love. Bye bye.